I want to show how cabinets work. Let's go to Design, then click on Cabinets. Click. OK. And here we have such a battery. Let's go to Cabinets and open the cabinet of openings. After that, we get this page. Here are these tools: a drawer, a bottle rack, a 3-box drawer, an overlay facade, an inset facade, an oven, a microwave, a shelf, a hanger, shelves, a rail, and so on, and the back panel. We call these details placers. So, this is the cabinet itself, the body type. Now let's open this cabinet. We get this option. There is the frame of the cabinet and what we will make from it, what we can do with it. Well, here are the usual data where you will find a one-sided placer. I have already. You can all take a look. K is the body, as you know. L is the long parts. R is the rail. What this rail represents, you can also take a look. H is the halyard. I don't know. False from the front, but we will also see what it represents. Well, let's first give the dimensions. Width, 2250. Height, 2780. And depth, 650, and OK. You see, the entire body has taken the target size that we chose. And here too, if we look, it is written the exact size that we chose. Now we remove these dimensions and focus on the cabinet. We call the divider. And I will set this size to 720. OK. You see, it immediately set to 720. Then I click the right mouse button and add the back vertically. And a partition is carefully and precisely added in the middle. Both are the same size, both boxes, and we also make them vertical. So we also do the rotation here. And let's release it like this. Right here now. I click on this cell and we get a size of 597. But I want 550, for example. Yes. Okay. Let's check. Now it's 550. Yes, 550. Now I set it here vertically, and here also vertically, yes. And I can also place it vertically here like this, and let it go here too, for example, at this level. Let's say like this. If we have this size, how much do we get? 531 is the morning size, but we can make it, say, 230. 230 will be too little for the drawer, but let's set it to 300. There. And that's it. We are now exiting the divider and we'll see what we got. Now, if we go into L, we can, here we click and make a plinth. It stood on the plinth, then the plinth on the left, the plinth on the right, the plinth at the back. We click on everything, and we get this option. Yes. Well, there is. Option of the plinth, plinth of the cabinet, plinth of the kitchen. You can see for yourself what this represents. Height of the plinth and so on. Well, besides this, there is a staircase, there is a cornice, there are legs, and so on. You can experiment yourself and see how it all works. Well, here we have this kind of cabinet, and in principle, we did all this very quickly. I will say that we assembled the internal frame very quickly. What a placer represents, how we use it, how we incorporate it into the cabinet. Yes, we just press here, and you see the red one is on the shelf. We pressed, and we can place it wherever we want. For example, if I want it here. And that's it. Then we go to the shelf, and here we have what we have on the shelf. Once we pressed on the shelf, we will now start working on the shelf. Well, I just showed this to you so that you don't have the feeling that this is just a bare cabinet. Well, these tools, doors, hangers, there are a lot of shelves here. Like the facade, overlay facade, inset, and so on. Such as various styles and designs. We can implement everything here for this cabinet and create a cabinet as we need. Here, with this element, if we need a pantry, we can make a pantry and place the oven there and put the microwave there. We will look at in the next videos that we will record for you. You will see, for example, how a single drawer works, such a box. Then, how the facade works in a separate video. If you need anything from these videos to watch and how everything works, I conclude with this. Goodbye.